Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to create FedEx account. For that, make sure you open your preferred web browser. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can search FedEx sign in and press enter. Now at the first, you can see the option login FedEx. You can click on that. Now you will be led to this kind of interface. If you have an account, then you can fill down the credential and get logged in. If not, then here you can see the option create a user ID. Click on that. Now again you will be led to this kind of page. Here you can see two options: use my email as my user ID and choose my own user ID. You can choose any of them. For this video I will go for this one. Now here you need to enter your informations. Now after you are done filling down your information, you can check on this box. After that, you can click on create my user ID. And now you can see that my user ID has been created. Now you can go to your profile and start managing your deliveries or your shipping accounts. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.